Hey guys, so I got this piece in Goodwill, and this piece has some finish damage, and I'm going to quickly show how we refinish it, some small damages or some small finish damage without really stripping it or sanding it. And I'll show you what we use. So we use this guy right here, Restore Refinish. It somewhat lets you, let's say, refinish it without sanding. I'll do a quick demonstration real quick on how this works. So I just used like a 4/0 steel wool. I just wet the steel wool real quick. So we're just kind of working in the finish into the wood. You see how all the damage kind of went away. So I'll do this other side. It's kind of exactly what its name says. It's Restore Refinish. It just kind of blends in all the finish wear. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to give a quick demonstration on how easy it is sometimes to bring old furniture to life.